Unraveling the Meaning of Off-Color, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, off-color. This is a phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. And today, we are going to dive deep into its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand how to use it properly in English. So, without further ado, let's get started. The phrase, off-color, has a couple of different meanings, and it's important to understand the context in which it's used to grasp its true meaning. 1.1 Inappropriate or rude. Firstly, off-color can refer to something that is slightly rude, inappropriate, or offensive. This could be a joke, a comment, or a story that is not entirely suitable for all audiences. It's something that might make people feel uncomfortable or embarrassed. 1.2 Not feeling well. Secondly, off-color can also describe a person who is not feeling well. For instance, if someone looks pale or unwell, you might say that they look off-color. To help you better understand the phrase, off-color, let's look at some examples. 2.1 Off-color as inappropriate. Jim told an off-color joke at the meeting, and it made everyone feel a bit uncomfortable. I didn't like the movie. Some of the humor was a bit off-color for my taste. 2.2 Off-color as not feeling well. Lisa didn't come to work today because she was feeling off-color. You look a little off-color. Are you okay? 3.1 Using off-color safely. It's important to be careful when using the phrase off-color to describe something inappropriate, as it can be sensitive. Make sure you know your audience well and are aware of how they might perceive your words. 3.2 Describing health with off-color. When using off-color to describe someone's health or appearance, it's generally considered safe and shows concern for the person you're talking about. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, off-color. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and has given you a better understanding of how and when to use this phrase in English. Remember, context is key when interpreting phrases like off-color. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. And subscribe for more English language learning content. See you next time.